Hello everyone, my name is Hyungseok. I work at Gangwon National University. I'd like to talk to you about hydraulic approach to shoreline change due to submerged breakwaters. Construction of coastal structures such as harbor would change characteristics of flow which result in the beach erosion. As Gungcheon Harbor has been constructed in the north of Wonpyeong Beach, the erosion of Wonpyeong Beach is occurred. Submerged breakwaters are being constructed for prevention of beach erosion. The seashore consists of Gungcheon, Wonpyeong, Munam, and Chogok Beach. The littoral drift shell of the beach ranges from northern Gungcheon Harbor to southern Chogok Harbor. The length of seashore from Gungcheon Harbor and Chogok Harbor is approximately 2.86 kilometers. After Gungcheon Harbor was designated as a national harbor in January 1991, budget was spent to build eastern breakwater and western breakwater from 2006 to 2012. In August 2006, construction of Gungcheon Harbor was begun. 5 years after construction of Gungcheon Harbor, beach erosion is occurred in September to 2011, falling down pine trees and street light. After damage has been aggravated so that over 200 pine trees, 22, 72, 80 years old, are disappeared. Furthermore, height of scarp in beach is over 1 or 2 meters, which could lead tourists and residents to face extremely dangerous circumstances. Although Samcheok Sea did emergency repair to reduce the side effect of construction of Gungcheon Harbor, it was inefficient to stop the beach erosion. Beach erosion is intensified, which results in loss of sand near railroad or rail bike. Submerged bike breakwaters are being constructed to reduce continuous beach erosion at this moment. In this study, this sediment shell was carefully monitored during the construction period of the submerged breakwater from March 2013 to October 2013. The field observations included the measurement of near-shore current, wave climate, cross-sectional beach profiles, and shoreline changes every 4 times. An echo sound was used to measure the water depth and geomorphology of Gungcheon area. The photograph survey was conducted 4 times: March, June, July, and October 2013. And then the water depth was measured 50 meter beach by using a high precision GPS and an echo sounder. The shoreline and beach profiles were surveyed by RTK GPS 4 times. The wave climate was measured 4 times by acoustic wave and current profiler. And wave induced current was measured by CP, CPG, which was self-production. The beach width of Wonpyeong Beach has stayed around 45 meters before the construction of Gungcheon Harbor until 2006. However, the beach width of Wonpyeong Beach, Munam beaches, and Chogok beaches decreased more than 30 meters, while Gungcheon Beach increased more than 100 meters by the field observation. The survey result showed that the beach width and cross-shore direction of Gungcheon Beach has continuously increased by 50 meters, and that of Wonpyeong Beach has decreased more than 90%. In order to solve the beach erosion problem, the submerged breakwaters were constructed in this area. However, different type of beach erosion occurred near the submerged breakwaters and after construction. The nearshore current investigation results show that the longshore current in NW direction, Gongcheon Harbor, was dominant in June and September 2013, and those in SE direction was shown in October 2013, while the recurrent toward NE direction was shown in July 2013. Yeah. The morphological change mainly occurred near the water depth of datum level minus 5 meter based on the bathymetry survey. The survey results show that water depths at the entrance of Gungcheon Harbor decrease. It is found that the harbor siltation is in the progress due to sand movement in north direction. Water depth difference between March and June 2013, and also that only deposition was found near the entrance of the harbor. The southern part of Wonpyeong Beach, morphological change occurred near the water depth of datum level minus 5 meter. The result show that the sediment movement is still in progress from south to north. The erosion of South Beach and harbor siltation north will be repeated even if the deposited sand are dredged for the natural equilibrium of sediment. The construction of Gungcheon Harbor in 2006 caused shoreline retreat, by approximately 50 meters in average, while the shoreline was increased at Gungcheon Beach, it was decreased in Wonpyeong Beach. The survey analysis showed that due to the construction of Gungcheon Harbor, the large amount of sand at Wonpyeong Beach moved to Gungcheon Beach. The result in this study showed that a tombolo was performed behind the submerged breakwater, and erosion was found near the area of the submerged breakwaters. Also, recurrent were generated between the gap of the submerged breakwaters, and the sediment was transported in offshore direction by the recurrent. Numerical analysis was performed to investigate the sediment transport mechanism, and the results show that the strong recurrent were generated by the gap between the submerged breakwaters. As a result, Wonpyeong Beach was eroded due to the construction of Gongcheon Harbor in 2006, while Gongcheon Beach was created. The government is trying to establish the countermeasure by using submerged breakwaters. However, other erosion was found near the construction area. Therefore, this study concludes that the detailed monitoring during and after construction is necessary to predict the possible second erosion, as well as the study for understanding erosion mechanism for the design purpose. Thank you for your attention.